Electronic Poll Book Ballot Accounting. The steps in this video can be found in the Ballot Accounting Electronic Poll Book Quick Reference Guide, which is packed in the EPB transport case. At the end of the night, the EPB team must complete the ballot accounting process with the VLM on one poll book. Start the process by selecting Log Out in the main menu. Select the yellow Close the Election button. Read the warning and select the green Yes button. Enter the passwords to begin the accounting process. Your device will synchronize. Wait until the message disappears to continue. Then, print the Check in Totals report. Verify that the bottom Total for Location section reflects the same numbers on all reports. Select the Accounting button in the top right corner. On the accounting screen, unused ballots will be selected. Touch a ballot style to enter the total number of unused ballots. Enter the stub number of the next unused ballot in the ballot pack. Notice the green check mark next to the completed precinct. Click the next precinct to enter the unused ballots for that precinct. Once all precincts are entered, click Next Step. Other ballots. The Other Ballots section includes provisional ballots, soiled and voided ballots, 17-year-old ballots, and curbside ballots. Gather the clear provisional precinct pouches from all precincts. The total number of used yellow provisional envelopes is recorded on the outside. Note, if the precinct has no provisional ballots, write 0 on the clear provisional precinct pouch. Enter the number of provisional ballots for each precinct. Notice the green check mark next to the completed provisional ballots category. Record the soiled, voided ballots from each precinct. Select and enter the soiled, voided ballots for each precinct. Record the 17-year-old ballots from each precinct. Select and enter the 17-year-old ballots for each precinct. Notice the green check mark next to the completed 17-year-old ballots category. Record the curbside ballots from each precinct. Select and enter the curbside ballots for each precinct. Notice the green check mark next to the completed curbside ballots category. Once all of the categories are complete with a green check mark, click Next Step. Scanner Totals. In the Scanner Totals section, you will enter the total number of voted ballots that have been scanned into the DS200s. Gather the DS200 ballot status accounting reports from each DS200 scanner. The DS200 status accounting reports are printed automatically after the close polls process is completed by the scanner team. Circle the line on each report that shows the public count number. Click Next Step on the EPB to enter the scanner totals. Select each scanner to enter the total number of voted ballots for that scanner. Once all of the scanners are complete with a green check mark, click Next Step. Ballot Reconcile. If the number of signatures matches the number of ballots cast, the bottom of the screen will say Balancing. If the number of signatures does not match the number of ballots cast, the bottom of the screen will say Not Balancing. If balancing, select the Get Signatures button. Enter the names of the election officials that performed the ballot accounting process. Once all signatures are entered, click Submit, then click the green Yes button to submit the report to BOE. If unable to balance, verify the totals entered in the Other Ballots category and correct them if necessary. Once other ballot numbers are verified, click Next Step to verify scanner totals. If numbers are not balancing, you may still proceed by selecting Get Signatures. If your location is still unable to balance, enter an explanation as to why the total number of voted ballots is higher than check-in totals. Enter the names of the election officials that performed the ballot accounting process and then click Submit when finished. If you cannot resolve your ballot accounting issues, we're here to help. Call us on Election Day at 216-443-3277.